Get ready for the dictation on the count of 3, 2, 1, start. When we insure a package which we dispatch by mail, do we get a receipt? A zeal for justice should be the mark of each citizen, high or low, rich or poor. We readily obey laws which history teaches are the wisdom of centuries. We have several large desks which we wish to dispose of. I think we should reduce them to 6 guineas a piece, and if we do so, we ought to succeed in disposing of them. Besides the decks, we have several large red rugs which we have had in the shop too long, and I think we ought to put them on sale too. If we make them cheap enough, we should have many customers for them. What do you think? I wish you would come to the city and discuss this sale with us.